Today we're checking out the TRIBIT StormBox Blast 2 Bluetooth speaker. I want to thank TRIBIT for sending this over to review on the channel. They're finding out what I think of this speaker the same time that you are once they watch this video. It's currently on sale for just over $200, but I'll leave a link down below in case it's even cheaper with more information as well. I think just the size of this box that it comes in is gonna surprise a lot of people. Definitely larger than I was expecting. It's got Bluetooth 5.4, up to 30 hours playtime. Also has a built-in charging port for your phone or other devices. It's got customizable lighting, plus it has TWS pairing, which I can only imagine how two of these paired together would sound. It also has up to 200 watts if you plug this in with the AC power cord. It's kind of hard to tell from the photos online, but the style of this actually looks closer to the first StormBox Blast 1. Overall though, this thing is massive. Now just picking this up, it's heavy enough that you could use this as a kettlebell to get a good workout in. Definitely a little bit heavier than I was expecting. Nice thing is it even has a couple mic jacks on the back if you want to use this for karaoke. Also has a 3.5mm auxiliary jack as well. All of the controls are nice and big right there on the top for volume, lighting, Bluetooth, and TWS pairing. It's easy to use this with the TRIBIT app to get things dialed in just how you like as well, which is always nice to have on all Bluetooth speakers. But here's a few quick samples just to give you an idea of what this sounds like. Not sure if you can tell from those samples, but in person you can really feel the bass on quite a few different types of songs, and this is probably one of the few speakers where I can't really find too much to complain about. I mean, it's probably too big and heavy for some people, but if you really want good sound and good bass as well, this is easily one of the best speakers that I've tested on the channel. In fact, it's just as good as the bigger name brands in my opinion. I think you could even put a JBL logo on here and most people wouldn't even realize that it's from TRIBIT. They're saying this is the best value when it comes to boombox party speakers, and I can honestly say after testing this for a while, it's pretty crazy how good this sounds in person. So yeah, I would have to agree. I feel like if you want really good bass and just really big sound that you could use outdoors, it's gonna be pretty hard to beat this one at this price, in my opinion.
Everything you know that you could get, don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.